Hey guys, welcome to my channel and thank you so much for clicking on today's video. If you are returning, thank you so much for coming back. I am so appreciative of those of you that keep returning to my channel. And if you are new here, hi and welcome. My name is Gretchen and this is Beautiful Mess. And here you are going to find tons of cleaning motivation, organizing motivation, decluttering, seasonal clean and decorate with me's, all of that kind of good stuff. So if that is something that you are interested in, I hope that you'll consider clicking that red subscribe button and becoming a part of my community here. In today's video, I am sharing with you some cleaning motivation as I tackle my daughter and my son's room/playroom. So as you can see, I had Christmas decor to still take down in these rooms, and honestly the kids had begged me to keep it up a little bit longer, so I did, and now it is time to get it down. So I wanted to clear this stuff off and just get started on a clean slate and just get their rooms back in order. So my hope for you today is that I can motivate you and inspire you to get something tackled around your house today, whether you are trying to get motivated to tackle your to-do list, or maybe you have some kids' rooms of your own that you need to tackle. I hope this helps you so much. And if you're just hanging out with me today, I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to leave it a thumbs up as you're watching. Let's go ahead and jump right in. So in case you're wondering what I am using, you can see I am using Endust, and I have been using Endust for about 2.5 years now, and I absolutely love it for when I am dusting.
Told me more than once to show you my intention. My brain gets blocked at times, but now somehow I'll give you my attention. You've got to know that I ain't a person who understands.
So all of the figurines that I'm putting on her dresser top there, she gets them from my mother-in-law, so I would eventually like to get a shelf for her to put them on, because I know having them all on this dresser drawer and all these little knickknacks just are a bigger cause for dust. But what are you gonna do? She's a little girl, she's got all her little things that she loves.
If you reach out to me, reach out to me. Person who
So a few months ago when I started reorganizing my daughter's room, I had purchased this cubicle from Walmart, and I meant to purchase another one and I never got to it, obviously, and you can see that it is becoming a little problem area there. So I know if I had another cubicle shelf just to put against this one there, it would help a lot, because she's done a really good job at keeping her Barbies and her num-nums and her little Barbie accessories organized in this one. So I know that having another one is going to be really good for her. So I'm hoping that I can get to that really, really soon and just add a little bit more storage in here for her.
I just want you. There was a void in my soul. Now I found my true home. But I just don't know. I just don't know if I'll dance with the lights on. If you're gonna be moving on solo. Wait a second, 'cause they're playing.
It's actually funny how much I enjoy fixing her Barbie house, and even more funny as I am editing this is how crazy that chandelier is driving me, because it's crooked and I didn't notice it when I was cleaning it up. But I like putting all the little Barbie things in there, her little TVs and the little food in the refrigerator and everything. So I don't know who likes this Barbie house more, myself or my daughter. No, but she really does use it a lot. So I always try to put things back in order when I get in here, just to encourage her playtime.
I don't really need new friends, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone who can play though, wanna hang with me. I'm not really looking for a friend, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone not afraid to give it all to me. Get next to me, get next to me. All that I want is to get next to you, get next to you. Not asking for much, but it feels like the two of us are golden, are gold. You see, we'll do you good, so take a chance on me. It's magical when you are close, so get closer, babe. We'll do you good, 'cause I am golden, I'm golden. You're not really looking for a friend, so at the top for me. Never thought that loving would be easy, but it's all for free. Won't cost a thing, so it's yours, worth the try. Oh, this is the real thing, I'm down if you're down, boy. Get next to me, get next to me. All that I want is to get next to you, get next to you. Not asking for much, but it feels like the two of us are golden, are gold. You see, we'll do you good, so take a chance on me. It's magical when you are close, so get closer, babe. We'll do you good, 'cause I am golden, I'm golden. Get next to me, get next to me. Get next to me, get next to me. Get next to me, get next to me. Get next to you, get next to you. Get next to me, get next to me. Feels like the two of us are golden, are gold. You see, we'll do you good, so take a chance on me. It's magical when you are close, so get closer, babe. We'll do you good, 'cause I am golden, I'm golden. Feels like the two of us are golden, are gold. You see, we'll do you good, so take a chance on me. It's magical when you are close, so get closer, babe. We'll do you good, 'cause I am gold, I'm golden.
On a run from my given disaster, speed away from the holy mind, pride. That's where I never thought it would matter. If I'm gone by now, all my weakness keep on linger on repeat, like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me good, you got me good. I keep on driving till it bends, still it feels like I pretend. Keep on driving and driving along the road tonight. Lost
stuffed animals of hers are all teddy bears that her daddy has given her for Valentine's Day. And I told her this year, I don't think daddy's gonna get you a big stuffed animal for Valentine's Day. And you should have seen the look on her face. She was like, she went straight to her father and was like, I want a big teddy bear for Valentine's Day. So I guess we're just going to continue to collect them. I don't even know where we're going to put them at this point because there is no space. But yeah, she went and she told her father that she wanted her big stuffed animals for Valentine's Day.
I can't help myself from feeling all alone, but you got me good, but you got me good. Talk to me, baby, I've been waiting for a lifetime. Just keep on fading in all these photos, caught in the memories and captured in the highlights. Just keep on wasting. Glass after glass, I keep hoping you'll come around, drowning our fights in whatever can be found. 'Cause I've given in to all my demons lately.
So moving on into my son's room / playroom, it was time to take down some Christmas stuff in here and look at how messed up his tree is. So it was not probably my best idea to put a tree at such a low level for him because he destroyed that tree. He enjoyed it, but he also destroyed it. So we'll see if maybe next year I can find him something smaller that I can put back up on top of the dresser, because that was just, he had ornaments everywhere and it was a mess. And I had a feeling that that was going to happen, but you know, I went ahead and did it anyways, so.
Glass after glass, I keep hoping you'll come around, drowning our fights in whatever can be found. 'Cause I've given in to all my demons lately. You know, might be easier just to let it go, cut the cable short and the problem solved. Might be easier for you, I do it all night. You're my only lifeline. Tell me why'd you have to go and drive me so crazy? Now I'm feeling lost without you, and I just can't be without you, baby. Want you all night long, want you all night long. Tell me why'd you have to go and drive me so crazy? Now I'm feeling lost without you, and I just can't be without you, baby. Want you all night long, want you all night long, want you. Watch all night, 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 watch all night.
If you have made it to the end of this video, please let me know in the comments down below. Also, don't forget to give this video a like if you enjoyed it, and subscribed if you're not yet subscribed to my channel. And I will see you guys in my next video. Take care and God bless, guys. Bye.
If only I had listened for a